All right, we're out here. Cattle Ranch project. It's looking pretty sweet. I think maybe we take a walk around the left side here. So garage in that wing there. We have mud room, powder room, and we have a office in those two windows. And then we have basically the front entryway here. These are all Schuco triple glazed windows. Actually, we'll take a walk over here first. The siding that we used here, this is by Westlake Royal Pros. It's actually a vinyl boarded batten. You see we have a nice area there where we can breathe. It's all set on a rain screen. This is their stone product here. It's actually a synthetic stone, but finish guys or trim guys did a beautiful job. Look at that corner, just very, very well done. So you can see our trim around the windows, typical 5/4. We have our little metal on the top, kicking it out. Jump back on the walkway here, and taking us here. Those are the windows to the office inside, and then we have this really nice timber entryways, stone piers on the bottom with some 8x8s rising up, and then some beautiful wood columns. Those were all done by the cabinet maker. So it's a DSA front door. It's actually mahogany front doors, 8 foot tall, 3 foot wide. And I really like how this is actually recessed a bit. I mean, the wind and stuff out here can be treacherous, actually. It can be whipping up at any given time. So it's a nice little protected setup there, and visually stunning. So looks good. And then coming across here, those two windows are to the owner's closet, actually. And we call this Cattle Ranch because they actually do have some cattle out there. They're both looking at me like, what are we doing here? And yeah, so it's it's really well done. Did some nice execution here. Looks really good how that all got finished out. Our nice hose bibs there, and then of course the mechanical wall here that the siders did. So we have a nice PVC panel. I'm gonna shoot video, and the next video will be the walk around the inside. But if you're wondering what those red and white pipes are, that's actually to the water heater. So it's a heat pump water heater. It's by Sandon, so there'll be an outdoor unit for it. I'm just going to sit down on those big feet there, and throw a little toss out to our friends at AirRex. All right, making some really nice terminations for our HVAC equipment. These two windows here are to the bedroom. We're about to get blinded by the sun. Coming around the corner here, we have our temp HVAC that's snaked into the house. So it's supplying on this side and the return on the other side. But because we have this beautiful view out here, say hi to the cattle. One of the things that we did was we put a lot of emphasis on glass out back here. So It's on the order of, I don't know, about 14-foot window there. We got a 16-footer there in the family room. And these are all triple glazed, so they're really good performance. Center of glass on these is 0.10, so R10 on the glazing unit. And then the dining room there. And then we have a really cool little screen and porch. Project manager told me the name of the screen system. I forget what it is, Easy Screens or something, but it's basically this PVC piece. It pops off and you put the screen in there, you roll it. It has that little like foam piping that holds it in. It's a pretty taut system. You get it all square, but there's nothing, you know, screwed. So if you get a hole in the screen or somebody cuts something there, you just pop this off and can basically replace the screen. Easy screen system. And we tried to size these so they match, you know, the malls over there. So we have some consistency in what we're doing here. And then coming around here, so the screen and porch has that nice view out to the backyard. And then of course another dirty side of the house here, back side of the dining room. We chose not to put any windows in, and we have a couple more of our units out there, and of course we have the temp system there. And then we finish at the garage, and that's our little utility door on the inside there that takes us inside. That stone, if you wanted to see it, we got some samples right here. It's called Versetta stone. You can see it right there. Hide it there. But it's basically a stone that comes and it has a metal nailing flange on it, and it's a pretty neat little system. So they just go up and butt into each other and get nailed off, gravity loaded on the course below, and it ends up looking like that. So again, out at the garage here, looking good. Let's take a walk around the front and close this out. So yeah, there you go. Got a nice exterior tour of the cattle ranch. We're going to jump inside and shoot another video there, but I'm going to take a walk back out to the front entryway here. Take a look at that. So thanks for joining in. If you're a subscriber, special thank you. Greatly appreciate you joining. If you're not, smash that subscribe button. Tell all your friends, and stay tuned. We got a lot of interesting projects going on. But for now, yeah, Steve Basic Architect out here at our cattle ranch project. Until next time, long live our buildings.